Hey everybody, I'm Dan McClellan. I'm a scholar of the Bible and religion. This is the fit for today. Let's take a look at a video.
Joseph and his mother marveled at the things which were spoken of him. Luke chapter 2. Okay? What's it say in the non-inspired version, NIV? The child's father and mother marveled at what was said about him. Wait a minute. That's not right. Joseph wasn't his father. Huh? No. Not if you believe in the virgin birth. Throw that NIV away. It's great fire starter. Those thin pages work really good to start your fire. That's about all, okay?
So if we allow our argument about which of these readings is earlier to rest entirely on which is more theologically comfortable, we are arguing based on dogmatism, not based on data. So let's take a look at the manuscript evidence to see where that leads us. So in order to do that, the easiest thing to do is just get yourself a critical edition of the New Testament. The United Bible Societies puts one out, or the Nestle Aland 28 is my preferred one. That's what I've got here, and here's the page with Luke 22 verse 33 on it, and they've got the reading there, his father and mother, and you can go look in the critical apparatus, and it will start off with what manuscripts change this to say Joseph. And the oldest one is the Alexandrinus, and then they've got a number of other manuscripts. And this is the most common reading in all the manuscripts that we have found. But then on the other side of the little bar, you're going to see TXT. That is, here are the manuscripts that support what we have included in the actual text. And there we have Sinaiticus, we have Vaticanus, we have Regis, we have Washingtonianus. We have a number of very good manuscripts, but that in and of itself doesn't settle the question. Because now we've got to figure out, well, we've got some early manuscripts that have his father, and then we've got some early manuscripts that have Joseph. Which is more likely to be original? And then we've got to apply some text critical principles. What usually happens when scribes alter text? They can either do it intentionally or accidentally. When they do it intentionally, the trend is for them to take uncomfortable readings and make them comfortable. So the principle there is called lectio difficilior. The reading that is less comfortable is likely to be more original. Now, when manuscripts change accidentally, that is usually because a scribe has left their source text to go write down what they want to write down, and then when they come back to the source text, they come back to the wrong part of the line. And that can either be because they were taking note of the word that came next, how it began, and when they returned to the manuscript, it returned to another word that looked just like the word they took note of. That's called homoioarcton, or same beginning. Sometimes they look at the word that was just before what they're copying, how it ended, and then they come back to another word that ended in the same or a similar way, and that's called homoioteleuton. And when they skip over something and omit it, that's called haplography. And when they go back to the wrong spot and then repeat what they have just written, that's called dittography. And none of that is relevant here, though, because we just have a straight change. We have his father swapped out for Joseph. And there is no good argument to make that scribes changed Joseph to his father, precisely because it is theologically uncomfortable. The far more likely sequence of events is that somebody had a text that said his father, and they thought, that's theologically wrong. I'm going to alter this to the name of his father, so I'm taking out a reference to Joseph being Jesus's father. So this is why critical editions today agree this text in Luke 2 originally referred to Joseph as his father and did not just use the name Joseph. Folks who want to prioritize the King James Version do so entirely on dogmatic grounds, because there is no argument to make based on the data that the King James Version is the more original reading.